Today, the Supreme Court ruled that Trump could not be removed from the ballot because states' rights only matter when we're talking about women's reproductive freedoms, which now leaves us with one last pending case for them to decide on: presidential immunity.
And while we're on the subject, and another thing that will be coming up very soon will be immunity for a president, and not immunity for me, but for any president. If a president doesn't have full immunity, you really don't have a president, because nobody that is serving in that office will have the courage to make, in many cases, what would be the right decision, or it could be the wrong decision. It could be, in some cases, the wrong decision, but they have to make decisions, and they have to make them free of all terror that can be rained upon them when they leave office or even before they leave office. And so
it's interesting that he's the first president in history trying to make the argument that presidents should have total immunity. And that's exactly what he and his team will argue in front of the Supreme Court, that a president should have total immunity from crimes they commit while in office. He's not even arguing that he's innocent. No. He's arguing that he should have immunity from any of the crimes he committed trying to overturn the election. So the Law and Order Party is arguing that a president should be free to use criminal conduct while in office. And we all know what presidential immunity looks like. And as you have House Republicans pursuing a sham impeachment investigation because nobody should be above the law, their own leader is arguing that they should be above the law. And so while I'm fairly confident that the Supreme Court will not rule in his favor on presidential immunity, if they do, what does that mean for President Biden and his presidential immunity? Because I'm sure MAGA Republicans will support and defend his full presidential immunity.